let's start the session. And today's session is being conducted by Rudra Joshi, who is a budding teen runner who is 11 years old, and he's passionate about sports and loves cricket, and he's an avid reader. And he wanted to help the children today to know more techniques and help them in reading so that they can have a better future. So let's welcome Rudra let's just clap for him and let's start the session.
Hello all. Thank you Ashwika for that warm welcome and such a great introduction. And thank you all the audience for investing your valuable Sunday and joining my webinar. I am really grateful to you all. So am I audible?
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, so before starting, let me tell you my story, how I became a rising reader. I was also not at all a good reader. My parents always encouraged me to read books, but I was reluctant. My focus was on playing mobile games, watching TV, and other electronic gadgets. But one day, there was nothing to do and the network was down, the cable was not there. So I picked up my favorite book, which is the Ruskin Bond, and I started reading it. When I started reading it, I got engrossed in it. And I didn't know how 1 hour passed. And at that moment, I realized the power of reading. So, when you put yourself into the character of the book changes into a movie and you become the Hrithik Roshan, Shah Rukh Khan of that movie. And who doesn't like to become Hrithik Roshan and Shah Rukh Khan? Right? So, my dear friend, from that day, I decided to learn new techniques of reading, and when I learned those, I thought of helping other Rudras like me who are struggling to become a regular reader. And that's when the idea of rising readers came to my mind. So let me introduce myself first. I am Rudra Joshi, 11-year-old teenpreneur, and I did a 7-day WhatsApp challenge named Rising Readers. So it was an amazing challenge. So first let me summarize the 7 days challenges. So the first challenge was my reading corner. In my reading corner, we created a space for reading so that we can sit, relax, and read the book. The second was linking reading with daily habit. In that, we linked reading with a daily habit. So, can anyone of us tell what is your daily habit? Anyone?
Rudra, can I?
After dinner.
What?
Reading
Sorry?
after dinner.
Okay, so your daily habit is reading and you have linked it with daily habit is dinner and you have linked it with reading. So now if I want to read after my lunch, so lunch is my daily habit and I have linked reading with it. So this was the second challenge. The third challenge was my commitment device. In my commitment device, as we have linked reading with daily habit, now there should be someone to remind you. So commitment device does that. So it can be a person who can remind you, it can be your parents, or a tool which can be your clock or an alarm. Then the fourth challenge was the important, identifying the why. why I want to read. What is the intention of reading? Then day 5 was my reading obstacles. In my reading obstacles, we found out the obstacles. What means what is stopping you to read? What are the obstacles that are coming between? So this was the day 5. Then day 6 was read with a pencil. In read with a pencil, we mark the important points. Means while reading, we mark the important words. So if I don't understand a meaning of word, I will mark, highlight or underline it, and afterwards I will uh, take its meaning, means search its meaning. So this was the 6th challenge. Then 7th challenge was book buddy. So we identified the book buddy. What is a book buddy? A person to whom you will tell your reading thoughts, and you can also influence him to read new books. So these were the 7-day WhatsApp challenge, and it was an amazing week. So now let me ask some of our rising readers, which was your favorite challenge and why? So Pranshu, can you tell your favorite challenge and why it was your favorite challenge? You are not. I am not able to hear you.
He's not audible.
Yeah. It's okay, Pranshu. We will go with Arav. Arav, which was your favorite challenge and why?
My favorite challenge was the first one, my reading corner, because in that I could put my thoughts in it and I could create my own reading corner and where can I read every day after school and all.
Okay, that's great. Avdut, which was your favorite challenge and why?
My favorite challenge was my commitment device.
Okay.
And why it was when I also like you, I was not reading books, but because of you I am now reading the books and the storybooks all and all.
That's great, Avdut. Uh, Parth,
Yes,
which was your favorite challenge and why?
my favorite challenge was my reading corner because I like to decorate my reading corner and I love it very much.
Okay, that's great. So now let's move on to the webinar. Why I was doing this webinar? Because I wanted to share 2 powerful secrets. So are you excited to hear the secrets? If you are excited, give me a
Yes.
thumbs up and a smile. Okay. So the first secret is speed reading. So the word speed itself says that fast. So what is speed reading? The process of rapidly recognizing and absorbing a phrase or a sentence all at once. So speed reading not only increases your speed but also improves your focus and memory. So by speed reading you can read 2000 means 200 words per minute, 300 words per minute. That's great, right? Then how to speed read? There is one thing common in speed reading, that is subvocalization. Most of us say and hear the words as we read, and that slows down our speed. So let me now give a brief introduction about some methods of speed reading. So the first method is the pointer method. The pointer method was developed by the creator of speed reading, Evelyn Wood. She said that she could read 2,700 words per minute. Can you imagine? So the pointer method involves the index finger or a pointer that it can be a pen or a card who goes across the page and below the sentence which you are going to read. This will keep your eyes in focus, and this will keep your eyes in focus so that this will keep your eyes in focus and prevent you from distraction and also increase your speed. So I think you have got why I gave the day 6 challenge, read with a pencil. So let's move on to the so now let's move on to the second method, that is the scanning or previewing method. In scanning we have to roll down our eyes quickly down the page, means reading the specific words and important points, important phrases. You will not read all the words, but your eyes will see the important points so that you can grasp the basic idea. So this was the first secret, speed reading. Now let's move on to our second secret, that is mind map. So what is a mind map? Diagram that displays information visually. So in mind map, the subject, means what is your topic, will be in the center and the keywords will be on branches. So let me give you a clear idea, means let me show you a mind map so that you can get a clear idea. So as you can see, the mind map means the subject is in the middle, so the subject is daily routine. So can anybody say what are your daily tasks in your daily routine?
Waking up.
Okay. Okay, so waking up. So you have to wake up, then go to have a shower, get dressed, brush my hair, have a breakfast. Yeah, we have to also study, do the homework. So why we need to make a mind map? We can remember the things, right? But for example, kids and teenagers like me and you forget some things. Can you guess which are the things we forget?
To do revision.
Yeah, means the study and homework. Means the study and homework we forget, right? So mind map will help you to remember your study which you want to do, the homework. So mind map can help you in this. Now why I'm telling you about mind map, how mind map is linked with reading. So let me tell you, if you use a mind map for a book, you can reduce a 200-300 pages book to just a single page book. Can you imagine? So you don't have, if you make a mind map of a book, you don't have to go through you don't have to go through the whole book. So it is easy to summarize a book, then it is easy to remember and retrieve the information of the book from the book. And mind map is also helpful in your studies. So for example, I am not remembering a chapter from geography, that is minerals and ores. It has lot of things. So I will create a center and I will write their minerals and ores. Then all the subtopics, I will draw branches and circle it and write the subtopics. And that's how we can easily remember the things. Now, let me show you a mind map of a book that I read, Eat That Frog. So, as you can see, Eat That Frog means the subject is in the center. Has anyone read this book?
No.
Yes, I have read.
Okay.
Yes.
So you can
Yes, I have.
also make a mind map. You can also make a mind map of it. So as you can see, the branches are there. Secret of success, think on a paper. So like this, you can make a mind map of a book also. Now, so now these were the two secrets. Which was your favorite secret? Write in the chat box. If speed reading was your favorite secret, then write SR, and if mind map was your secret, then write MM. Let's see. MM. I think you all like the mind map. Okay, some have like the speed reading also. Okay, so now have you understood both the secrets?
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
So
Yes.
now I would like to give some recommendations. Means if you want to know more about these, you can join these courses on Udemy, Mind Valley, and let me tell you, for mind mapping, you can use this book, Mind Map. How to mind map? Tony Buzan, he is the creator of Mind Map, and this book was recommended my mentor coach Gaurav Gandhi, and I am really thankful to him. So now you can write down these speed reading courses and this book also. Done? Okay, so now let me come to the action part.
Sorry for interruption, Rudra. Your voice is cracking very much.
Is it?
Rudra, your voice is okay. It's coming.
Okay, there's no problem.
Okay, thank
Mars,
you.
I think so. You have a problem.
Yes, it may be.
Okay, so now let me come to the action part. So, in the action part, you have to do two things. First is, means I believe that when I share someone something, I also learn it better, and the person also loves it from hearing from you. So the first action is that share these two secrets, means the learning from this webinar to means three people. It can be anyone. It can be your parents, it can be your siblings, it can be your friends. Now the second action is that you have to complete 2 books by this month and share me summary on WhatsApp number. I will give you my WhatsApp number, and the top 3 performers will be recognized on social media by me. So this is my contact number. Now you can also connect me on LinkedIn. As you can see my page, and you can search Rudra Joshi and connect me.
Excuse me, Rudra.
Yeah.
It's me, Arav. Are you looking for any specific books you can recommend?
Specific books recommend. So wait a minute. So means my coaches have given me some books, so you can read that Eat That Frog. I have also have it, this one. Then you can read One Thing. The One Thing, it is also awesome book. It has, yeah, The One Thing, which means it is on there is a it is on the book that there is only the one thing. There is no such thing like multitasking. And Eat
Okay.
That Frog is on procrastination. So how to overcome procrastination.
Okay, thank you.
And even I would like to recommend one book.
Okay.
So Coach Nitesh also gave us the monk, Think Like a Monk. So that's also a nice book.
Yeah, Advait. Okay, so now I would like to thank our teenpreneur community, my mentor coach Gaurav, for giving me guidance and teaching me, introducing me this method, mind mapping. And now I would like to thank my master coach Nitesh for giving the action plan, means how to start WhatsApp challenge, how to give an action plan, then the ideas. I'm really grateful to them. So now,
I would like to say something. I would like to say,
yeah, see,
I'm really thankful to you to giving me some these all tools to us, and I will try them, and I will message you on WhatsApp. How did I like them? How did I do them? Thank you for all the tools.
okay, Arav. So anybody has questions? Okay, so I would also like to thank the whole TFP community also, means my teenpreneurs, they are also here, and all other coaches. I'm really grateful to them all.
I have a question. I have a question.
Yes, you can ask.
In that thing, we need to read 2 books and.
Dash, can you repeat the question?
Okay, I had not even finished the question. When we have to read 2 books, isn't it?
Yes.
Can we read fictional books in them?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Wait. I would like to show you something. So for my webinar also I created a mind map. Is it visible? You can pin my video, or I can share. Wait a minute. Share my screen. Oh. Is it visible?
Just try to focus it a bit.
Okay.
थोड़ा पीछे जाओ
हाँ.
and say something.
So this was created by me. I means the webinar means the subject is in the center. Then you can see the secret number 1, pointer method, what's means sub vocalization, link pencil, then scanning method. Then for mind map, I secret number 2. So this what I did for my session also, and I really mean I remember all the things by mind map. So you should use it, and please read this book. It is amazing. It is written by Tony Buzan, who is the creator of it.
So Rudra, this is Priya here. I just wanted to make one statement. The way you started off the session was simply amazing. You started off with your own story, right? So whenever we connect with our audience with our own story, I could go back in time and recollect my school days. So that was truly amazing. The secrets that you have shared, right? Those secrets are not just for reading. I feel those are powerful secrets which everyone or any student at any age can use them. So thanks for sharing those lovely secrets.
So now anybody of the rising readers like to share their last week experience? Rishi, would you like to share your experience?
Yes, the session was really amazing and I learned the secrets and I'm gonna use those secrets while reading my books. And thank you for sharing the secrets.
Thank you, Rishi. Brunal, would you like to share?
Yeah. I love this challenge thing.
It's okay, Mrunal. Vedant, would you like to share?
Yes.
Okay, so how was your last week?
Nice. I learned the reading practice with these the challenges given, and I learn you teach us very amazing, and I really thanks about you.
Thank you, Vedant.
Rudra, Nirvan want to share.
What?
Nirvan want to share.
Nirvan, you can share.
I was like you. First, I did not even read books, but my mother told me attend this webinar, and if you attend it, you will learn what is the importance of reading books, and you'll start reading books, and we don't have to tell. So you did that, and you gave us such good challenges that my mother is not even telling me now read books. I do it by myself.
Thank you, Nirvan. So now we can conclude.
With you.
You can means the voice is echoing. You can type in the chat box.
There's a possibility of logging from two places. So if you shut off one, you can speak.
Okay, so
Now is it fine?
yeah, you can speak.
I wanted to share that there was one challenge identifying the why, and
Yeah.
it was really I thought it's so useful. I know I like reading, but it gave me a motivation to read. So why I like reading? So that was a wonderful challenge, I think.
Okay, thank you, Runal. So now we can conclude the session. So
Rudra,
yeah,
this is Vijay Kumar here.
yeah,
A few words. I am Vijay Kumar, coach.
yeah. Hello.
Hello. It was absolutely amazing the way you conducted all the WhatsApp challenges. Your
Thank you.
answers were so matured, so good, so appropriate, and the way you designed the challenges, the way you are responding to them, the way you concluded all your flyers, everything was absolutely outstanding. Great job. I have become a fan of yours. Keep
Thank
it up.
you.
Good job,
Thank you, Coach
Rudra.
Vijay.
Thank you.
So now we can conclude the session. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, Rudra.
And read,
Thank you,
speak,
Rudra.
and succeed. Thank you.
Very much. Thank you, Rudra.
Thank
you so much, Rudra.
Thank you,
Thank you, Rudra.
Thank you so much.
Thanks,
It is
Rudra.
very informative.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Bye.
Thank you, Rudra. Thank you, Rudra. Thank you, Rudra.
Thank you.
Thank you, Rudra. It was really nice.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, Rudra. Thank you once again.
Thank you, Rudra. Bye, Rudra.
Bye.
Thanks, Rudra, for such an amazing session.
Thank you, Advait.
Thank you, Rudra Bhaiya.
Thank you, Siddhi.
Thanks a lot.
Yeah, thanks for your participation in the challenges.
And thank you everyone for joining. And we have completed the session on a very good note, and the session went amazing. Now all of you can take an exit. Thank you.
Bye, Rudra. Thank you.
Thank you, Avdut.
Thank you.
Thank you, Rudra. It was an amazing session.
Thank you, Manan. Thank you, Nirvan.
Hello? Am I audible?
Yeah, Pranshu, you wanted to speak?
No, I was just checking if my mic was audible.
Okay, so you're audible.
Okay.